right, in tonight's health news, it is one of the telltale signs of a woman's age. We're talking about her neck in her upper chest area. Here to talk about it, why we kind of ignore that area and ways to improve it, is Dr. Sabrina Fabi. Of course, good to see you.
Hi, nice to see you.
It's been a while since you've been here. So this is one area that so many women sort of just forget. We put so much time and energy into our face. Why do we forget the rest?
I think, well, first of all, we don't put makeup on our chest that often. So makeup creates a nice barrier from UV damage. And so it becomes exposed more and more. As we're driving, UVA is penetrating through that windshield and damaging our chest. And a lot of our clothing nowadays exposes the chest. And so it becomes damaged with time. But in addition to just photo damage, breast augmentations commonly highlight chest wrinkles.
Interesting.
And so you put this money in augmenting your breast, but then you have wrinkles to show for it. And so that can kind of defeat the purpose sometimes.
And a lot of people, we have so much emphasis on sunscreen on your face, sunscreen on your arms, but now a lot of people talk about putting sunscreen on their chest as well.
Especially on a daily basis, because many of our facial creams and moisturizers now even have sunblock on it, but we don't have anything that we put on our chest before we leave the house.
Okay, so besides just the basics, obviously moisturizer, sunscreen, what are some other things that women can do if they've already started to see some of the aging?
Well, women are becoming more aware of this discrepancy and coming in requesting for procedures to be done. And before we had downtime procedures that people didn't really want to take part of because it had increased risk and problems with. But now companies, both laser and drug companies, are becoming more aware of this demand that's growing. And so there are new injectables that you can inject into the chest to improve wrinkles and deep creases in the chest. And now there's a new technology with just using an ultrasound modality that's just a one-time treatment, no downtime, 20 minutes, that not only lifts the breasts, but also improves texture and chest wrinkles.
Right, and in some of these pictures that we're looking at, the before and after, some of them you obviously see the sort of subtle differences.
So in this patient, yeah, she had just 2 treatments with Sculptra, or PLLA, which they call it, to stimulate collagen production. This patient had just 1 treatment 1 month later with a simple IPL or photofacial.
And the before, let me stop you there, the before is on the left, the after is on the right.
Exactly. Again, this patient has a little bit more advanced aging. So with an IPL as well as with 3 treatments with Sculptra, again, no downtime procedures that just take 5 minutes, you can see significant improvement in the chest.
Yeah. Well, Dr. Sabrina Fabi, thanks for being here as always.
Thank you for having me.
And with that, Walter, we'll send it back to you.
All right, Jen, thank you.